My name is N.K. Mishra. I am from Abhiyan Academy. So far, we have presented 5 videos on the subject financial market, and my last video was on the secondary market. In secondary market, we have covered meaning of the secondary market, role of secondary market, difference between primary market and secondary market. This OTC market we have covered, the stock exchange we have covered, national exchange of automated trading, NEAT we have covered, and like that we have covered most of the things. In this video, we will cover the various bonds like that. Before that, I will like to tell you that despite the fact that the world is facing corona virus problem, the money market, this financial market is not affected with all these things. Now this is the crucial period when one should learn all type of the risk covered in managing the treasury, in managing the market risk, in credit risk, in balance sheet management and liquidity. I will request all my viewers to involve themselves in this money market aspect and bank management aspects. This is my small contribution to the society. I wish you all a very success in this area. Sorry that I may not present more than 5-6 videos on this subject. For others like that, you can approach to us on my email ID, that is saroj.shikshavikas@gmail.com, or you may add to me on your mobile WhatsApp like that. My WhatsApp number is 7489497054. I request my assistant Tardi Tamboli to present the few PPT, and thereafter I will explain various points presented through the PPT. Thank you. So bond, 1 minute, sorry. I am telling about the bond. Bond is a negotiable certificate evidencing indebtedness. A debt security is generally issued by a company, municipal corporation, government agency. The bond issue usually bond issuer usually pays the bond holder periodically interest payment over the life of the loan. So this is the bond. So now I will like to tell you the types of bond. So one is the zero coupon bond. The zero coupon bond, convertible bond, and treasury bills. These are the three main factors. Various types of bonds are what I told you, that zero coupon bond, convertible bonds, treasury bills. These are the short-term treasury bill in short-term short-term borrowings for meeting out the deficit budget. So this is about the bond. Now I will tell you that what is the equity. So equity and share, both are the same. When one buy a share of a company, he become a shareholder in that company. Share also known as equity, what I told you like that. And equity are considered the most rewarding when compared to the other investment if yield over the long duration. So equity is the good area for investment. Now the average return on the equity in India is also good like that. So that's why the people prefers to invest in the equity. Now now my point is that which are the factors that influences the price of the stock. So broadly there are two factors. One is stock is specific and another is market is specific. So the stock is specific factor is related to the people's expectation about the company, its future earning capacity, financial health and management, level of technology and marketing skill. So this is the stock is specific. Now the market specific factor is influenced by the investors' sentiment toward the stock market as a whole. This factor depends on the environment rather than the performance of any particular company. So this is the differences like that. Now I would like to tell you about the growth stock. So growth stock is any share in company having excellent potential for growth in sales and earnings and expanding faster than other company in the market. So this is the growth stock. Now the value of stock also depend on various factors which may be covered in other video or other chapter like profit earning per share and other things like that. So a value stock is security trading at a lower price what the company performance may otherwise indicate. So sometimes it happens that it is traded on the lower price also, so that just to push the market also. So now the question is that how one can acquire the equity share. Equity share means that share of any company. So one thing that he can subscribe to the issue made by the corporate in primary market. Second, purchase shares from the secondary market, and the third one, third one and most the thing that the person should approach to the SEBI approved recognized trading members, brokers to bid in the stock exchange. So this is the all about that how you can purchase like that value I have covered. Now bid and ask price. So bid and ask price is also concept, one of the concept. One may subscribe to issues made by corporate. This is sorry, very sorry. So now bid is the buyer's price. It is price that you need to know when you have to sell a stock. Bid is the rate price at which there is a ready buyer for the stock which you intend to sell. So this is the bid price. So like that portfolio. What is portfolio? A portfolio is a combination of financial assets like shares, debentures, bonds, mutual fund, etc. Wherein an individual has invested. A portfolio can be held by an individual investor himself or managed by the financial professional on behalf of the investor. So these are the few things which I wanted to tell you. Now that question is that are bonds rated for their credit quality? So most bond debentures issued are rated by specified credit rating agencies in India like CRISIL, CARE, ICRA, like that. So it is being rated. so that one can invest in the bond. eh? Uh, uh, so another thing that few things that how you can purchase that instrument. What is the principle for purchasing like that? Now interest payable by a debenture and uh, interest payable by a debenture on a bond. The interest is the amount paid by the borrower, the company, to the lender, the investor in debenture for borrowing the amount for a specific period of time. The interest may be paid annually, semi-annually, quarterly or monthly, and it paid usually on the face value, the value printed on the bond certificate of the bond. So this is the one thing. Now the question is that what are the segments in the debt market in India? So there are three main segment in debt market in India. That is the government security, public sector units bond, and corporate security. So this is the three sectors where the people enter in the debt market. So this was all about the now how can one acquire security in the debt market. This is also depend upon the issues like that. I wish you all success, and moreover I will definitely request you people to say be in touch with the new educational policy which is coming very shortly, keeping in view this coronavirus, and even the all the university institutions are involved in organizing the webinar and also in various forums like that. Now the forum is also depend upon the webinar online. I request you all to go through the various discussions being taken place. If you will see the USA education system, they have banned the candidates who are performing, who have joined the university for online study. Means they need not go to that USA. They need not stay in the USA. So there are a lot of changes in the whole economy. If you see the economy of the China, market condition of the China's share market and others like that, it is growing. In India also, the financial stability is there. So these are the few factors, and you must remain in such sectors like that. Thanks a lot. My lecture will be useful for all the banking sector peoples, the money market peoples, this planners, tax planner, investment planners, and all others like that. Thanks a lot. I wish you very success in your life. Thank you.